Here's an iPhone 11 with a damaged screen. We need to replace it with a new screen. Bolt the screws on bracket. Take down the screen. Unbolt the screws on the ear speaker flex. Take down the ear speaker flex. Then the back plate. Install the back plate on a new original screen. The latest True Tone reprogrammers will fix this message. Connect the screen to a programmer. Fix the True Tone function. Install the new screen on the phone. Connect the flex cable. Power on. Important display message pops up. It also appears on settings. Unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. How to remove it? True Tone Fix cannot remove the message. It is indeed stored in Touch IC, but the programming data is different. There is only one way left. Transplant the Touch IC from original screen to new screen. Before grinding the Touch IC, we wrap the screen with a piece of anti-heat adhesive tape. We wrap the screen with a piece of anti-heat adhesive tape so that it will not be damaged during heating and grinding. Begin to grind the Touch IC. Apply some distilled water on the new screen Touch IC. Grind it with a grinder. Layer by layer. Change a grinding head when revealing the lowest layer. The ground bonding pad is more even and easier for welding the Touch IC. Set temperature to 280 degrees centigrade. Heat up original screen. Take down the original Touch IC. We are going to install it on the new screen. Fix it on PCB holder. Set temperature to 300 degrees centigrade, wind power 40. Remove the black adhesive. Then put it on the BGA reball stencil. Apply welding paste. Set temperature to 300 degrees centigrade, wind power 20. BGA. The Touch IC is ready for installation. Apple solder flux on the molding pad. Set temperature to 300 degrees centigrade, wind power 40. Install the Touch IC on the new screen. Heat it up for about 10 seconds. Use tweezers to prod it gently. If removable, then it has been installed well. Install the screen. Power on. Important display message pops up but disappears immediately. No message on the settings either. Plus, the True Tone function is normal. Can this method work on the non-original screen? Test with an aftermarket screen. Grind its Touch IC. Try to transplant the original Touch IC on it. When grinding to the lowest layer, it turns out that the pins are different in quality and location. So this method cannot work on an aftermarket screen.